get everything turned on for you.
Sure. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. How did you get the Taramps to be purple? Did you take?
My wife painted them.
Really? Okay.
Let me get my other key.
Is it better with the doors open or shut?
It doesn't matter. I can play the back and everything. I can play subs, everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right. Could you give me your name and what's in here real quick first? Go ahead.
Joe Gallagher. It's a 2003 GMC Yukon. I've got 14 PRV Forte 12s, 14 of the which one? 3500 Ti horns, Altair amp, CES alternator, 80 and 40 amp hour CES Lithium, and I have a 1.5 to 1 4/4 at 38.
38. All right.
More musical. I go for more music.
Yeah. Okay.
Get everything turned on for you.
Sure. Going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around we got of his system he showcased at the Made of Steel show in 2021, Tampa, Florida area. I was really impressed to see him fit this many speakers and tweeters inside of his Yukon. Really impressive and a really clean install for the whole stunt wall in the back. I got to get a demo with the subflex as well as these tweeters and the stunt wall in the back. Pretty impressed to see how clean it was. Didn't really hear any distortion. You're going to hear actually during the demo that there wasn't any distortion. There was 15,000 watts on the right side amplifier, the HD, and the MD8000 on the left. I'm pretty sure he has the MD8K on the subs, and the HD is all on all of his mids and highs. I didn't really get any full details on that, but this is a 4th order enclosure, not a 6th order. 2 Sundown 15-inch subwoofers inside inverted. I didn't find out what series the subs were. They could be the X or the ZVA5 series. I don't know exactly for sure. And I really like the actual layout. So he could put these seats up when he's not at a show and still have his family ride in the back. And I'm sure he's able to turn up and down his DSPs depending on what he wants to play inside the vehicle as well, because those are really loud and screaming. You'll see. We're getting to the demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos coming your way every day on YouTube, JacobViral, and enjoy this 3-minute demo.
Cost me once, can't call my phone, you need to die to me. I mean, on fleek, I'm poppin'. Not many round if you don't know it, help my pockets. In my room, take that Draco and go wildin'. Tryna grow up, don't come in contact with the violence. Violence. Play it, I'm styling. Come well, she like what bitch, that ain't mine. Tired of the bayou, take it out to New York and live a high life like a nigga signed with hybrid. I flash out and take his head from out his body. I never once showed you this side, but that's who I is. I know I let that daddy spit on college. If I die right now, just check the stats and see how I did. I'm a real street nigga. Yeah. I just pulled my red eye out and tried to stop it. Where you going? I just walked outside my house and I'm shot at me. Fuck my ex, I hope my next can probably top of me. Take me to a place I can't imagine. Make them more heartbreak and I'm so damaged. Stepping in blood.
That one's tuned without any distortion either, so it sounds really good. Awesome. Well, thank you.
They were nice and clean, but all the dust.
Oh yeah.
John Diamond in the bill, all this drama that made this bill. I ain't flashing, I'm just coolin' right now, and ain't nobody. Tryna find some peace and only God knows. Cost me once, can't call my phone and hit the dial tone. I mean, on fleek, I'm poppin'. Not many round if you don't know it, help my pockets. In my room, take that Draco and go wildin'. Tryna grow up, don't come in contact with that violence.